Demo account. Why is it important to trade a demo account? I'm just going to illustrate quickly why it's important. Okay, so let's say I have this strategy that I want to trade. As a new trader, you have this strategy. You want to sell here. Okay, you want to sell here, and price has got there, and you want to sell it. Now, if you have a live fund or live account, when price gets here, your emotions is going to drive wild. You are going to either be fearful that it's going to stop you out, or you're going to be in a state of happiness because you are now going to get some money in your account. Okay, and to take all this away, that fear or that happiness away from your trading, that's why it's important to trade a demo account. Because when you're trading a demo account, first of all, you are developing your strategy, or you're trying to get a feel of how it would be to trade your strategy on a live account. So the demo account will be fake money, it's not real, but you have to treat the secret about trading demo account is you have to treat it as if you are trading a live account. Okay, and that is the trick. If you're gonna trade a demo account and think that it's fake money, so you will not take it serious, then you are not doing yourself any good. You have to trade the demo account as if you're trading a real account. So if you want to open a demo account, you need to open a demo account to the amount of money that you are going to trade with. So if you're planning of going in live account with $1,000 account, then open a demo account with $1,000 and practice your strategies on that. See how much you need to place on every single trade, how much you're willing to lose, and how much you need to win to make a consistent money. You need to do that for at least 3 to 6 months. Once you're able to do your strategy 3 to 6 months and you can see consistent results over the 3 to 6 month course of trading the demo, if your strategy is consistent and you can make consistent money, then and then alone you move to live trading. If by the end of the 3 to 6 months your trading strategy or your methodology is not making consistent money, because it's fake money, you don't lose anything, but you get the opportunity to further enhance or develop your strategy, to change and make sure that anything that is not right, you fix it, and you go into your testing mode again by using the demo account. So personally, I think every new trader, even if you've been trading for a long period of time, you still need to trade demo, because the market is not always in a good condition for every single trade. Therefore, you need to trade sometimes demo just to avoid market conditions. Like for example, myself, over the last 1 month, I've been spending time trading a lot on demo rather than live, because I want to make sure that the strategy that I'm trading due to the market condition can survive. So in order not to lose live funds, I rather trade on a demo account so that it will not affect my live account. At the same time, I'm trading. It's not like I'm not taking it serious. I am taking it serious, but it's just that I'm doing it on a fake money. So I recommend demo trading to everyone, not just newbies. Even if you're experienced, you still need to you need to trade demo. Just practice, just like footballers would do. Every week they go in for training, and they practice before the real match. That's what every professional trader needs to do. You need to practice, and you can only practice using a demo account.